Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex with Cody, and today we're just going to be breaking down the trades from this week. So Monday, I think the 11th up until Friday the 15th. And basically, well, first of all, you're gonna have to excuse me for no t-shirt. It's currently starting to move into summer here in Australia, and it's been very hot lately. So you know, I'm just cooling off a little bit. So take no notice of that, and focus on the charts. But yeah, we're just gonna break down this week's trades, all called out live in my private Telegram, and also one of them was actually called on my YouTube live stream, which is of course free for anyone to join. So keep an eye out for those live streams. You never know, you could catch nice little trade here with us in the private Telegram. But all in all, it's been a decent week. The markets have been somewhat okay, even though it is coming into that Christmas period in December. It's a lot of traders say, oh, during December, New Year, slow markets, blah blah blah. It does tend to happen, but overall, I think it's been decent. It's been okay. It definitely hasn't been quiet. There's still a lot of setups happening, every week with the strategy we trade over here at Forex with Cody. And yeah, we're gonna see how we start moving into that Christmas period. So around probably the 24th, maybe the 23rd, I'll see what the markets start doing coming into this week. I'll probably stop trading during those days. I'm going to be very busy during those days anyway. I do have family like kids, and we do have a lot of plans for the Christmas period. So probably around the 24th, I will stop trading to probably about the 26th, 27th, and then we'll see how the new year goes. But like I said, I haven't noticed too much of a slowdown yet, so we're still good to trade. And if you guys are interested in joining the private Telegram where I call all these trades out, then hit that link down below, and that's going to take you there. We do accept crypto payments, card payments, Apple Pay. So there's a lot of different options for you guys there. And there's currently up until tomorrow, if you do buy the monthly membership, I'm going to add on an extra month for free because of the Christmas period. I'm feeling, the Christmas spirit. I'm feeling very generous. So why not? As a little thank you to everyone who supported me over this last year. So yeah, if you do purchase the monthly membership for the private Telegram, you also get the private education Telegram with that membership. So you get two channels, basically all my setups, and then the education section where you get all my strategy videos, trade breakdowns, market updates, things like that. So if you guys are interested, definitely check that out. But without further ado, let's get into the charts. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull up the trades this week. So first one, what's this? 12th of the 12th. So 12th, the 13th, the 12th, the 16th, 12th, 12th. All right. So we'll start with this GJ one. And this was the trade that was called out on the YouTube live stream, right? And I actually had a few people on Instagram message me about this, saying that they caught this trade, because I gave this analysis, and then I went off stream and I continued my day, but I had my my buy stop set. And then a few obviously people messaged me on Instagram, like I said, they're saying that they caught this trade from the analysis on the YouTube live stream. So like I said earlier, make sure you look out for these YouTube lives because there is a lot of gems dropped, and you could benefit from that. So this is the GJ trade. This was the first trade of the week, I'm pretty sure. And if we take a look at the profits, yeah, you can see the first one here of the week at the top, GJ by 3, right? $1,908.42. So this was this trade, and basically we saw a big move down. Let me just, no, you can't make that. Let me just turn this off so you can see. So we saw this move down, right? Massive move down that GJ, that happened on GJ here not, you know, last week. And so I was anticipating that, you know, you can't always call the bottom and you can't always call reverses, but after this formation, like this price action formation, and this is what we teach in the educational channel, how to read these types of scenarios, we can see price came down. We see massive, you know, very strong rejection wicks, right, to the downside here. We see a short consolidation, right, so price ranging, moving sideways, and we see a resistance form, and we see a break at that resistance and a slight retest before price continues. And then we also get our entry patterns. So the type 3, like this is also taught in the private education, how to get your entries, and this is a type 3 set up from the 12-hour and the 8-hour, so they both combined to create a beautiful bullish entry candle pattern. And so with all that being said, the rejection, the consolidation, the break of and retest of a resistance, and then a bullish price action candle pattern to give us our buy entries here. And so we had buys at 182.816, and our stop loss was 182.216, and then take profit one up here at 183.426, where I mentioned to the private members is where I'll be moving stops to break even and potentially taking some profits. And then we have take profit 2 at 184.016, and you can absolutely see that got smashed. So yeah, very happy with this trade. Worked out beautifully. You can see no drawdown. This 4-hour, this 2-hour candle just drove up instantly, closed very nice, bullish, had a short bearish pullback, but then continued to take profit too. Right, so that was the first trade of the week. Very beautiful trade. What's this? Give that. And then the next one, what's this? So this is 12-12, 12-16, 12-12, 12-13. So this one, this was actually the same day. So these two trades were literally from the exact same day, the 12th, and this was a gold sell. This was also, this analysis was given on the YouTube live stream, but this was also called out in the private Telegram right here. So you can see gold trade idea, looking for oh no, this was the other one, sorry. Where's the first one? Is it this one? GJ trade idea. Oh, it was here. Okay. Yeah, right here. So here was the gold trade idea, right? Looking at potential gold sales. So we have entry, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. And there's the chart right there for that, right? So this was called out in the private Telegram there. And so what happened here, again, you know, just continuing with the momentum, you can see if, you know, where price is coming from the top left, which means, you know, we are in a downtrend. We can see this formation here, this consolidation, we broke below that, and we have 8 and 12-hour type 3 bearish candle setups, as well as weekly and daily lows being broken for continuation on the higher time frames, bearish continuation. And then we have, like I said, the 8 and 12-hour type 3 candle pattern setup to continue bearish to get our entries into the market. And you see we had a little bit of drawdown here, you know, price pulled back, closed bullish, and then we started to sell off back to the downside again. And that was for 140 pips. The GJ trade was for 120 pips. So in the same day, we made 260 pips on gold and GJ here, both 1-to-2 risk reward ratios. Yeah, beautiful trades, right? Beautiful trades. So again, just very simple stuff. Market structure, downtrend, breaks of key levels, bearish or bullish candle pattern entry setups, and then we have weekly lows, daily lows, you know, and yeah, we set our risk reward, we walk away and we let the trade play out. And that one, if you can see, is obviously the second one here, the gold sell one for $2,133.56. That was the second trade, and you can see they're both in the same day there, 12-11, 12-11, right? So beautiful trades, two trades there. making like making over 4K on those two trades. So just a helicopter just went over my house, and it like shook the whole house there. That was a bit crazy. But yeah, that was that. That was the gold trade. And then we actually had this was the GJ trade. We actually had, so yeah, there's the results of those two posted in the private Telegram. So you can see gold and GJ $4,041.98 for those two trades. Absolutely beautiful textbook. And then obviously we have some other trade ideas, but as you can see, I told people to delete those due to the fact that there was some high impact news dropping in 15 minutes. So we deleted that one. We had a live stream, right? Nice live stream to the members. We talked about why we deleted this trade. We talked about the news that was coming out on pound and US. We had a little chat. And then this was a gold trade, another gold trade idea. So a scalp, right? And this was this one. Was that this one? Yeah, so this was this one right here. We caught 30 pips here on gold, and that was, like I said, that was called out here, right? Gold trade idea, looking at a quick scalp entry 1976273. That was the chart there that I posted. And then I said we'll look to close some profits and move stops to break even at take profit 1. So if we open that picture, we can see a take profit 1 level there. And that's exactly what we did, right? Literally that was posted at 5:15, and at 5:24 take profit 1 got hit. We took some profits and moved stops to break even, and obviously the take profit 1 got hit there. We moved stops to break even and took some profits, and that is what you see here on the third trade down. So gold sell 2.5, $751.33. So that was that trade. That was the scalp. Get rid of that, and then boom. GJ trade idea. Was this from yesterday? Yeah, this was from yesterday. So yesterday, and this was this loss in the end, right? So where is it? This one, GJ trade idea right here. We saw around about 42 pips profit, which is what I said in here. So GJ trade idea entry 181327. GJ entry 41 pips profit so far. Take some profit and move stops to break even if you want to manage risk, right? So that's exactly what I did. I moved stops to break even, got hit, and then I went for another entry in here. Once price, it pulled back and then started to come back up, I went for another entry in here as it came back up. But then it came back down, hit stop loss, and then went back up again and closed bullish. So I gave that trade a couple of tries, and that's, you can see down in here, you can see the $1,472.26 loss. That was that trade right there, right? But like I said, I didn't post out that I entered again. And I said, all right, GJ trade hit break even. So then I didn't post about me taking the trade again, because I don't usually give trades second chances, but just that day, I really thought it was going to continue bullish. I was very confident in my analysis. I just thought maybe I just got unlucky with entering the market too quickly. We got stopped out, and I just wanted to give it another try to see what would happen. But that quickly went against me. So, we live and we learn. I'm not the perfect trader. So that was that trade. So all in all, we had 3 wins, 1 break even, and 1 loss this week on gold and GJ. And we ended the week in profit by $3,321.05 minus commissions here, $60. We ended $3,261.55 profit for the week. So yeah, pretty decent week. I'm very happy with that in the end. Um, Learned some lessons, some valuable lessons, like not going for a second try on a trade. If it hits break even, walk away and come back another day for another trade. But overall, yeah, we just literally rinsed the same pattern, the same strategy, right? Market structure, price action, and then the bullish or bearish type 3 candle pattern setup for our entries. And we basically just rinsed it. There was opportunities for more trades here. For example, we have a type 3 right here, type 3 bearish candle pattern here on GJ that I didn't take, which price drove down 185 pips. Didn't take that. That was on Thursday. I missed that entry because it was 9. It happened at 9 a.m. in the morning, and I just wasn't looking at the charts at that point. Monday, this was the trade we took on Monday, right here, 161 pips. So that was beautiful. But yeah, missed this one on GJ, so that would have been a beautiful trade. And I think I missed one here on gold as well. Yeah, I missed one here on gold. Another type 3 setup right here. So boom, right? Type 3, beautiful. And price drove up for over 200 pips from that point. So I missed that as well. So a couple, that was also at 9 a.m. Missed a couple trades there, but there's potential here on gold for a lot of trades next week. Gold is still in a bullish trend, right? So we've got high lows, higher highs, higher highs, potential higher lows in here now. Let's see what happens. We really want price to come back up into these highs. But if you look at these orange lines, this is actually weekly highs and lows, and we have a weekly high, a weekly low, right? And then that weekly low got broken. It created a new weekly low, and now we've created a weekly lower high. So from the weekly wicks perspective, price potentially has flipped bearish, breaking that bullish structure and bullish uptrend. But overall, if you just looked at the market right here, you can clearly see that gold is bullish, right? Because where is price going, right? Price is going up. It doesn't take a genius to see that. Price is the momentum in gold at the moment from the daily, 12, 8, even potentially the weekly, is overall bullish, right? It just is. If you take a look from this point, price is bullish. We're consolidating quite a bit in this level. We're failing to break this purple line right here, which is the absolute high of this whole move since 1st of August 2020. So you can see we did actually break that level last week, but then it quickly closed back below that level, rejected heavily, right? So yeah, going into next week, it's going to be interesting. We're going to see if we're going to continue with that volume in the market, and if we can see if we can get a few moves in here on gold. Same on GJ. But yeah, I'm not seeing too much of a massive difference in the market right now in terms of volume and setups. So I'm happy with the way things are going. I'm actually just going to mark out these new weekly levels here on GJ. So again, GJ is well and truly, from the weekly perspective, it's in that short-term downtrend where we've got highs, lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and just lower lows. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with GJ this week. You can clearly see from the 2-hour time frame here now that price is very much so in a downtrend. But yeah, that was the week. We ended the week, like I said, on around about $3,200 profit. You can't complain, I used to pretty much almost make that in a month at my old job, so you really can't complain at that. And yeah, we'll see how next week goes. But if you, like I said, if you guys are interested in joining the private Telegram, you not only get all my setups to follow along, but you get the education as well, which is important, right? So you get my strategy videos, you get market updates, and you get trade breakdowns. And we also go live in these channels as well as the YouTube lives. And I also have a playbook coming, all right? So this is going to be like an ebook, and basically you're going to have everything that I know about trading in this book. Price action, market structure, time frames, trading sessions, volume, pairs, and then you have, this will be the most important section, of course, strategy and entry models, where we'll look at the type 3, of course, which I keep mentioning, as well as other strategy and entry models, as well as the general trading lessons and teachings, trade and risk management, indicators that I use, psychology, demo versus real, trading plan. I'll help you set up a trading plan. Sorry, my wife's just messaged me. Do you want GJs, which is Gloria Jeans over here in Australia, which is iced coffee? It's beautiful. So yes, I do want one. It's very hot. So yeah, that will be coming out shortly. I'm still working on this. So this will give you this. It's not going to be $30. I'm going to change the price of this. I think I'm going to do it for like maybe 20, 25. I think is more reasonable, but we'll see. There's a lot of information going into this, and this has taken me a long time to do. It's taken me weeks, and I've only just finished the technical analysis section, and I still have to do the whole thing. So I mean, there's a lot of time going into it. So I think 30 is potentially a reasonable price, but we'll see. And there's a little sneak peek of it, right? Going over, boom, 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 boom. A lot of information in here, right? A lot of information. I'm not gonna show you too much, but you can see the charts in there, and you see a lot of talking and words going on there, right? So that will be dropping soon, next year, hopefully. I'm gonna try to smash this out, get it ready for next year. But that's gonna be a massive help for some of you guys. And for some of you, I might even do a bundle, or I might even just throw it in with the signals as well. If you buy the private Telegram, you can get a copy for free as well, or something like that. I don't know. If you buy the yearly membership, right? So you can actually save a lot of money with the yearly. Then I'll just throw that in as well, or I'll do a bundle or something like that. So as you can see here, 35 or 250 for 1 year access. Because if you do 35 times 12, which is 12 months in the year, it's actually 420, right? So if you paid monthly, you're paying 420. But if you just paid the 1 year access, you're actually saving almost half, right? So that's, yeah, something for you guys to think about. But all in all, beautiful week. We're up to 28 members in the private Telegram, right? Beautiful. And in the free Telegram, we're up to 985 people, right? We're almost at 1,000, right? It's insane. And also, I've seen a massive growth on the YouTube channel lately, which is, love it. Absolutely ecstatic with that. 663 subscribers, right? That's crazy. We've gained so many subscribers over the last couple of weeks. It's insane. We went from like 500 to 663, I think, in like a couple of weeks. So I'm staying consistent with that. You guys are loving the videos. We're doing some shorts as well, uploading some shorts, which are getting some traction, because sometimes, well, a lot of the times the shorts don't do well at all. Like sometimes I'll end up with like 5 views on a YouTube short, like here, 19, 18, 15, 23, and then sometimes you'll get like this 842, 782. But recently, the last couple of weeks, we've been having like some decent numbers on the shorts, right? See, this one only got 23 views, but then we had 114, 67, 57, 75. So yeah, just being consistent with everything. And the live streams as well. 123 views, 115, it's growing. It's decent, right? It's growing nice and steadily, which is what I like. So thank you guys for all the support. I really appreciate you on all channels: YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, I'm getting a lot of messages from you guys on Instagram as well, saying how much you enjoy the content, um, and you see me as an inspiration, which is great, you know. But I'm just, you know, I just want to make sure you guys know I'm a human being as well. All right, I'm the same as you. I'm in this trading space, just trying to improve and learn each day and do my part. I'm not anyone special. I'm literally just a normal person who's put 6 hard years into this craft, and I'm finally starting to see, you know, I'm finally starting to reap the rewards, and starting to see some great results from my trading, and also the business aspect of it, of teaching and having you guys follow my setups and things like that. So yeah, appreciate you guys a lot. Let's keep growing. 2024 is going to be massive for us. I know it. I feel it in my bones. Again, I apologize for being shirtless in this, but it is hot here in Australia. It's been like 30, 28, 30, like 32 over the last few days. So yeah, it's very hot. So I appreciate you, you know, just putting up with my shirtless antics. But anyway, let's move on. Let's close. Let's end this video. It's 26 minutes long, and I think only 10 minutes of that has been actual chart work. But yeah, have a good weekend. Like I said, until tomorrow, until Sunday, I'm doing a a little generous, you know, 1 month free for you guys. If you buy the monthly membership, I'll give you an extra month on top of that, just to get into that Christmas spirit, you know, Santa Claus and all that. So yeah, I think that's it. I think I've covered everything. If you haven't, sub to the YouTube, join the free Telegram, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, appreciate you guys. Let's get it.